Good morning everyone, this is Vivian and today welcome to my channel. Please subscribe, hit button please. Subscribe the button, hit button. Please hit the subscribe button please. Okay, now without much ado, I'm going to declutter this cabinet of mine. So join me. Okay, so I'll show to you first what I got from my cabinet. So these are my underwears. Oops. Okay, some clothes because I haven't used this. A gift from my Tita Belen. Maybe I'll try it on later. And then here are my belts in taekwondo clothes. These are actually bags of nanay. So our kitchen utensils are in my cabinet, and these are my collection thingy when you were in high school and college. And then what's here? Okay, so these are actually things that I'll be selling, and these are my clothes. So I think I'll apply some KonMari way, yeah, to settle this. Okay. Okay, so just an update. So this is the pile that I'll be selling. This will go to the linen area, and this one I will tackle next, and then the undies and these abobot. Okay, so just a brief update. So we're done with the clothes here and the clothes there and the clothes here. It's most of them already there, but look, yan yung mga ano ko na either ititinda. So actually all of these, ano, not that one, this one, tapos yung nasa baba, then this, tapos yung mga pens which we're going to sell as well. So yun, so yeah, medyo balinis na, and then mamaya maki-clear out na rin yan kasi ibibigay na rin yan. So what's there, so I'm going to give it as well. So this is my abubot cabinet. Yeah, so stuffed toys, mga abubot. May mga dust pero hindi masyado. Because I've always closed the windows most of the time. Tapos ito, mga books. Then this one, i-organize ko pa ito na picture. I-organize ko pa yung picture na yan. And then, I'm going to clean this out as well. It's 8:33 in the morning and I've been working for the past 3 hours and 30 minutes, but I have a lot of in-betweens. I binitbit ko ang mga pinggan doon sa isang bahay sa baba, tapos kumain kami, nag-breakfast, kumuha pa ako ng coffee, tsaka lilinis ko rin ang room ng kapatid ko, inayos ko rin yung kama niya, yeah, at tsaka iba pa. So now, I decided I'll just do this. Okay. So just an update. Um, I have two empty spaces. Magulo pa rin sila, pero that's fine. I think I've decluttered a lot, you know. My God, there's so many. Okay, I'm going to send this one downstairs later on. Hi everyone, I'm super proud that I have decluttered this much. See, there's just so many. Ha, maaliwalas na. So here, i-arrange ko pa yan. And discard some. My cabinet. Look. Yeah. Here. From top to bottom. And this drawer, just a few. And this one is empty. Oops. To clean pa. And then, yeah, I'll show you this one. Ah, very nice. So that's what is left of my cabinet. This is to sell and some are giveaways.